What is up, gals and guys? It is this Zari here, and welcome to or back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing 16 hairstyles on my box braids that I'm going to be taking on in a few days. So I figured I should just try to make a video out of them, especially since I love doing hair. But before we get into this video, I just wanted to let you guys know that there's this thing going on in the world, not coronavirus, called the Black Lives Matter movement. It has been going on forever, okay? Because even though it should be clear that, you know, like all lives should matter, Black lives are still being casted out because of the color of our skin, our culture, and all different types of things that get stolen, and yet still get talked about and still are discriminated. It's not just Black lives. We're going to focus on that right now. So down below in the description, there will be links of petitions and information and facts that you guys can learn about and click on if you're interested. And even if you're not, please just help out. But if you click off of this video merely because of what I'm saying right now, because I'm talking about the Black Lives Matter movement, then you are part of the problem. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into this video. I'm going to be doing 16 hairstyles starting now. Alrighty, y'all, that'll be all for today's video. Be true, be you. Go ahead with your bad self. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you guys like this video, and I will definitely be doing more hair videos like this. Anyways, remember to go down in the description and click on the links and fill out those petitions. Other than that, bye guys, love you, bye.